In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage petty cash in Xero. Managing petty cash efficiently is crucial for keeping your business's financial records accurate, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open your Xero dashboard. At the top, you'll notice a navigation bar with several tabs. Look for the Accounting tab and go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can oversee your financial accounts. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your financial accounts are organized, and it serves as the backbone for recording different types of transactions. Now that you're in the Chart of Accounts section, you'll see a button labeled Add Account. Click on this to start setting up your new account. Since petty cash is typically considered a liquid asset, under the Account Type drop-down, select Current Asset. This classification helps in separating petty cash from other types of accounts and correctly categorizes it for financial reporting. After that, you'll need to assign a unique code to this account. This code will help quickly identify the petty cash account in your ledger. Once you've decided on a code, move on to the account name field. Here, type in petty cash. This keeps things clear and makes sure that later on, everyone who looks at the books knows exactly what this account is for. You might notice an option here to add a description to the account. This is completely optional, but if you want to provide more context or specific instructions regarding the use of this account, feel free to add it here. It can be a helpful reminder of what transactions should be recorded under petty cash. After you've filled in all these fields, it's time to finalize the process. Click Save, and just like that, you've added a petty cash account to your records. This account is now ready to be used for future transactions. From this point on, when you record transactions, you'll have the option to select petty cash as the account used for recording payments and other related transactions. This is particularly useful for tracking small expenses like office supplies or miscellaneous purchases that fall under petty cash expenditures. And there you have it. You're all set to manage petty cash in Xero. Keeping tabs on petty cash might seem like a small aspect of financial management, but it plays a pivotal role in ensuring the overall accuracy of your business accounts. Thanks for following along, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful in getting you familiar with managing petty cash in Xero.